Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is horseradish deviled eggs. I love them. So you're going to boil 12 eggs, cut them in half, put the yolks in a bowl, and I just run a knife through them until it's really smooth. And then I season with salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of horseradish and 1/4 cup of mayo. Now that's a lot of horseradish, so if you don't want yours that spicy, you should probably start with about a tablespoon of horseradish, add all the ingredients, mix it up, and taste it. I was making these for my dad, and he likes them very spicy. So 1/4 cup is definitely a lot. I wouldn't recommend it right off the bat, because you can't undo it once you dump that much in. So I have all my ingredients in there, adding about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I'm going to mix that very well and, of course, taste it and see if it needs anything else. And I did have some footage where I was actually filling them. I don't do anything fancy. I don't pipe them or anything like that. I just fill it with a heaping spoon of the mixture. But I lost that footage. My memory card messed up. And then I just sprinkle them with paprika, and that is it. It's a nice play on just a classic deviled eggs, just to switch it up a little bit. I normally make both kinds for Thanksgiving and Christmas, so definitely try them out if you like horseradish. They're really good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.